Turnkey main floor entry allows level from parking space to front door. New hardwood flooring thought out this bright condo. Neutral paint, window blinds. Open floor plan, bonus room and storage room. Entry foyer, double closet leads to spacious living/dining room and opens to den or formal dining room. Eat-in kitchen, wood cabinets, pantry offers updated stainless appliances. Master bedroom, walk-in closet, private full bath west/walk-in shower. Spacious second guest bedroom, full bath. Walk to clubhouse with fitness center, pool, gather room with fireplace, billiards room, tennis courts and playground. Sidewalk community leads to restaurants and shops along plush matured landscape. Walk to NJ transit/train. Lake and beach access on Lake Hopatcong boat, fish and swim. Nothing to do here but unpack. Hurry, this one won't last.